Yo, man, what's up with y'all, man? Checking in, man. I ain't vlogged in a while, so I'm checking in with y'all. Let me get it right, man. I'm checking in with y'all, man. This vlog is kind of special, man, cause I know y'all seen in the previous vlogs that we got the Chevy down here that my partner was trying to build, well, was building, and I think his is a 95 or a 96, I think, I'm not sure. But anyway, he was a police officer, man, and he lost his life, man, trying to help somebody pull it over on the side of the road. Well, I ain't gonna go into detail about that, but anyway, I have, hold on. Yeah, now what I was saying, man, y'all can barely see me, but what I was saying was, man, I got the privilege, man, the opportunity to work on this car, man. So right now what I'm doing is I'm putting this Dakota digital VHX in. So I'm gonna go down here, wire this up, and yeah, hopefully everything goes smooth and we ain't gotta do a whole lot of foolishness with it. But either way, man, you know, it's still a privilege, man, to be able to work on it. You know what I'm saying? Because he was calling me a lot, man. You know what I'm saying? Trying to figure out, he was calling me and texting me and stuff, man, trying to figure out like what he needed to do. He wanted it right. You know what I'm saying? So, like, man, yeah, man, I want to build my car just like yours. Well, not just like mine, but man, I want to have my car, you know what I'm saying, and moving around, man, like how you got your car. So we finna we doing it for him, man. So yeah, about to go pick the girls up real quick, and then I'm about to head down here and try to wire this up real quick. I need to call Memphis Tn, matter of fact, to let him know I'm coming. But yeah, I'll pick the camera back up, man, when I get down there in the shop, and let y'all see what I got going on. Yo. So yeah, man, this junk y'all done seen before. You know what I'm saying? I think it's 95, 96, I ain't sure. But yeah, man, putting this VHX in, man, for his wife. Got that wired. All the brain box and stuff back here. This is the data cable. So I'm finna run this power from over there, just like I did mine. And yeah, so let me go ahead and get to work. Let me see what else I need. I think that's it though. Got all my stuff, I'm gonna loom it up so it'll be clean. And yeah, it's crazy, man. Yeah, so like I told y'all, man, I got the opportunity to work on my partner car, man. So I just wired up the dash. I ain't wired up nothing, no tech, no sending unit, no nothing. So we just want to see if we had power to it. I see we got power. So we're gonna hook up this BM module, see what we got, and yeah, that'll be pretty much it. And it'll be on to the next destination. Let me see. Yeah, I think that's about it. So let me I guess I'm gonna run these wires though, the tech and all that. I'm gonna run those and see what we got. But I'm also, like I said, I'm gonna hook this BM module up and go from there. Matter of fact, I'm gonna hook the BM module up right now and see what we got, and then I'm gonna bring y'all back. Alright, I don't know where I left off, but we got some, looks like we got some stuff missing. But I'm trying to put in this BM module. But so far we got volts, we got tech. I ain't ran a few wire yet. We don't have oil pressure, we don't have temp, because the temp and the oil is gonna run off of the BM module. And yeah, I think it's another plug that goes in this BM module. I think I have to go home and look and see in mine, but I think it's supposed to be another cord, another plug. But we got volts. Y'all see that? We got volts. We got tech. So yeah, we got that. So I think I'm kind of stuck right now. So I'm gonna have to try to run this fuel. Try to run the fuel one and go from there. So yeah, Daryl, man, we trying to get you right, dog. Trying to get you right. Yeah, so we found our BM module cord. I ran the fuel wire. So we got fuel, we got volts. Yeah, saying we got tech. So speedometer, I don't know yet. Temp and oil, but the temp and the oil gonna run off the BM module. So we should be good. So I'm gonna come back and wrap all that up. I'm gonna try to loom up some of this stuff I got going on. I'm gonna get it out the way. And yeah, it's over. I'm doing a little work, man. Doing a little work. She should be happy with it. We don't know what she's gonna do with it yet. Probably nothing. It's probably just gonna sit in the garage, but it'll be done. So yeah, my pleasure. I have the pleasure of building something for somebody, man. Yeah.